more consistently. Use up to 3 times the H2O volume with optional 10-inch stainless steel tube. Achieve higher altitudes. .95% success rate for gentle recovery or parachute deployment. Adjustable for various rocket types: 1 liter, 2 liter, FTC, spliced. Includes 48-inch rail, 1 set of rail guides, hardware to assemble and mount to your base. 10 pegs are not included in the StratoRail kit, but are recommended. Optional 10-inch stainless steel tube is available, enabling 3 times the H2O. Additional items needed: scissors, lacquer thinner, thread locker, marker, toothpick, tape, sandpaper, and polyurethane adhesive. Tools needed for assembly: drill, 1/4-inch bit, hammer, countersink, 7/16-inch wrench, Phillips screwdriver, 4 and 2 mm hex key, and nail. Dished and flat. Place flat side of rail button down over flange nut. Turn screw in less than halfway. Apply a drop of removable thread locker to interior threads. Spread thread locker inside flange nut with toothpick. Lightly tighten screw and wipe off excess thread locker. Rail buttons should spin freely with 1/16-inch play. Select a clean, straight-walled 2-liter soda bottle. 1-liter straight-walled soda bottle works well also. Fancy-shaped bottles do not work well. Use them for nose cones. Peel or cut ring from bottle. Cap the bottle, giving it structure by trapping air inside. Cut and remove label from bottle. Remove remaining bits with fingernail. Optional: remove glue residue with lacquer thinner and paper towel. Screw strato fins snug onto bottle. Wrap rail button guide around bottle, keeping flush with surface. Center paper edge between any 2 fins and apply tape. Mark bottle according to rail button guide. Sand a 1/2-inch circle below each mark. Wipe off dust. Apply polyurethane adhesive to flange nut. Carefully place rail guides on bottle and align straight. Adhesive must cure for 24 to 48 hours before use. Screw strato fins snug onto FTC rocket. Wrap rail button guide around FTC tube, keeping flush with lip. Center paper edge between any 2 fins and apply tape. Mark bottle according to rail button guide. and a 1/2 inch circle below each mark. Wipe off dust. Apply polyurethane adhesive to flange nut. Carefully place rail guides on tube and align straight. Adhesive must cure for 24 to 48 hours before use. Cut out hole drilling guide. Unscrew StratoLauncher 4 from base. Tape guide onto the back of the base. Pound a nail to mark the center of each hole. Drill 4 holes with a 1/4 inch bit. Countersink the bottom of each hole. Details in description below. Can be assembled without countersink if used on grass. Slide long section of hidden connector into short T-slot bar. Slide short section of hidden connector into long T-slot bar. Slightly tighten set screw to hold position on short bar. Remove from long T-slot bar. Flat side of all T-nuts should face screw head. Insert 1/2 inch Phillips head screw into base and screw on T-nut. Slide T-nut into T-slot bar, center, and tighten loosely. Loosely screw on double T-nuts to L brackets. Choose the smoothest track for the rail guides, no burrs or nicks. Slide T-nut into track on either side of it. Hold flush with bar end and tighten screws. Repeat both previous steps for the other side. Slide long T-slot bar over hidden connector on base. Adjust short T-slot bar snug with long bar. Tighten both set screws in hidden connector. Insert 3/4 inch screw through bottom of base and through L bracket. Thread on nut loosely. Repeat both previous steps for 3 remaining screws. Tighten all 4 nuts. Tighten center screw under base. Insert 1/2 inch Phillips head screw into countersink of the mounting plate. Screw on StratoLauncher 4, center plate, and tighten screw. Deluxe and Ultimate model work with or without the ball head. Adjust ball head so launcher is perfectly vertical. Insert screw into launcher mounting plate and thread into T-nut. Slide plate assembly into short T-slot bar. After rail guides have cured 24 to 48 hours on rocket, slide rail buttons on 2-liter rocket down track. Adjust launcher position to fit nozzle over tube. Seat rocket into hose Q release. Position launcher by pulling rocket away from rail and tightening screw. A pressurized rocket will expand and push rail buttons into track. Rail buttons should free float to reduce drag. Adjusting for a 1-liter bottle or FTC rocket is quick and easy. Loosen screw, position launcher, mount rocket, and tighten. A 6 or 8 foot T-slot bar can be purchased at links below to replace 4-foot bar. Not necessary unless rocket is greater than 5 feet, spliced bottles or FTC tubes. "12" by 18" by 1/2" or larger polyboard is recommended for a 6 or 8 foot bar. Inside gusset for better stability is recommended for 8-foot bar. Custom designs may be available in the future. Optional: secure StratoRail launcher with 2 tent pegs recommended. Attach bike pump, air compressor, or scuba tank to Schrader valve. A 10-foot Q-release air hose extension is available on our website. Also, a 10-foot air compressor connect hose is available. Stretch out brake cable completely straight. Push brake cable end into slack adjustment ring on lever. Insert nipple on other end of brake cable into the clamp-on cable stop. Place funnel in the nozzle of the rocket. Pour water rapidly up to the brim and stop. Let the contents of the funnel drain into the rocket. This will yield about 1 cup of water inside the rocket. Water level will be close to the score mark on center tube. Attach tank sprayer to quick release M-plug. Slide rocket down StratoRail and seat onto launcher. Employ a weighted fall-away nose cone. Pressurize the tank sprayer with 10 pumps or more. Open the mini ball valve to fuel the rocket. Close the valve when H2O level reaches the top of tube. More H2O can be added, but to keep H2O out of pump, buy 10-inch tube. 10-inch tube enables 3 times the H2O, 3/4 cups, or 2 fists of a 2-liter bottle. Fill less than or equal to score mark on 10-inch tube for rockets without rail guides attached. Fill less than or equal to top of 10-inch tube for rockets with rail guides attached. Even more H2O can be added, but the extra weight reduces altitude. Pump to desired pressure between 15 to 120 psi. Detach the tank sprayer. Remove the cable or it will compress the hose quick release spring when coiled. Coil the cable and place it over the launcher for storing. Detach the air source